Welcome to another episode of Cooking in Quarantine. Today we are going to be making a Trader Joe's cornbread mix. However, I found a recipe online that zhuzhes it up a little bit. So there have been a few that I've seen, and I was originally going to use the new spice that they have, the like chipotle spice. Actually, I'll show it to you. I was going to use this, but this particular recipe looked really good to me because it has honey in it and some half and half and ingredients that I wouldn't think to put together. So I'm gonna do that one for this go around. Next time I go to Trader Joe's, I'll have to buy another box where I can use this recipe. So for this recipe, you'll be needing cornbread mix from Trader Joe's, 1 egg, some honey, some half and half, oil. I'm using canola oil, that one. I have currently in the microwave 4 tablespoons of butter, so it's basically a half stick of butter melted, so it's melting right now because it was frozen, and that's it. So I'm going to move the camera so you can see what I'm doing, and also preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and put in a 10-inch cast iron skillet. So that is what is in the oven right now. All right, let's get to it. Okay, first you're going to need a large mixing bowl and a whisk. First it says to whisk together an egg and the half and half. So here's the 1 egg, 3/4 cup of half and half, and whisk this together. Then also the half cup of oil. Oil. It calls for either canola or vegetable oil, by the way, so I just use what we had, which is the canola. Then you add in the 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Keep whisking that. And the 4 tablespoons of honey. Here's 3 and 4. And whisk this all in. Now once this is all mixed thoroughly, we're going to add the box of the cornbread mix. And you slowly mix it together until all the ingredients are wet. I think I'm just gonna slowly add it like you would when you're doing a cookie recipe, where you slowly add the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. It says it should be lumpy. So, yep, it says don't mix it too smooth, it should be lumpy. Actually, the lumps I'm seeing is actually pieces of corn. I didn't realize there was actually real corn in this cornbread mix. So the object is just to get all of that mix all wet. Just getting the sides of the bowl, still has some stuff around it. All right, it looks like all of the mix is wet, and we've got the pieces of corn in here. Okay, the stove just beeped at the 400 degree mark, and now we're gonna move over there because we need to take the cast iron pan out of the oven, spray it down with canola oil. I'm gonna use Pam to grease it, and then immediately pour the mixture in the pan and then put it back in the oven. So let's do that step right now. Okay, I'm going to be using Pam canola oil, and here's my batter. Let's get this bad boy out of the oven. to immediately spray this canola oil. Put this mix in. All right, now we put it back in for 18 minutes. It's heavy. On the top rack. All right, I'll see you guys in 18 minutes. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm actually gonna take another one of these. Holy cow, look at that. Look how amazing that looks. It smells amazing. If I had smell-o-vision, I'd have you smell it. So I'm going to cut this up. Try not to get too close so I don't burn my face. I'm going to cut this up and then I will take it to the table and then we will taste test it. Okay, here is the taste test. This tastes like one we used to get at that barbecue place. Sonny's. Tastes like Sonny's barbecue one, which went out of business here in Tampa. It's really, really good. I would totally make this one again. I think the one that has the chipotle stuff in it is going to be a more savory one. This is definitely a more sweet one, which I have a sweet tooth, so it's a success. Try this at home. It's really, really good. Well, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Hope you're staying safe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.